Hello, this is a demo of getting single variable from own database. So let me open a Postman and find request on our Salute system where we can grab user information by the current user token. So I'm already logged in as a user, send. And with this user token, I can get information from our API about the user. For example, here is user response with a user ID, with a user name, with a user email, and some other user information. So let's imagine that in a chat, I'd like to provide information about the user to their chat responses. Let me open a little diagram here. So it's possible to imagine like that. So we have a mobile app. Mobile app has a token for all requests to Salute Health API. Then Salute Health API executes Functions API, and then Functions API executes User Information API. The question is which token will be provided to the user information system, and for that we have two options. First one, we can provide current token. Second, we can provide any custom token in request headers. So let me show you the configuration for getting current token. In the list of all functions, I have a function called salute user. I have a function salute current, and this is URI to our identity user, exactly same function I show here. So this is on our identity. Then this function is a get, and as a result it has user ID, created day, username, email. In order to pass this current token all the way to the calling system, we need to say that in this function configuration, property use current auth is true. It means that no matter which token is here, which token can pass to Salute Health, then provided to functions execution, and then to the calling system, the current token will be used. Other way to configure is, instead of current, is to provide some custom token. For that, I have another one configuration for the same function, but instead of getting current authentication, I'm setting headers manually, like header key is authorization, header value is bearer plus user token. User token is a variable existed and populated in the functions engine during runtime. It has the current user token. The difference is header value is set here manually in the headers array. So we have salute user function and salute current configured differently. First one provides no matter which current authentication is. Second provides same values but in different configuration. Now let's see how it's configured in the admin portal. I have prompt is a salute user with a username. I have other prompt with a salute current and the created date. Just a different values, created date and username. Just different values from the API in the salute. salute current. In the salute current, it's a username and created date. In the salute user, it's created date and username as well. So they are configured differently, except the authentication. Here in prompts, we see two functions, hello, and the next statement in the brackets. Let's execute this flow from a mobile app. I have a test chat. In this test chat, we have hello and the username. And username obtained from a Salute identity server by the current user. Next one is value in the brackets, which is created date. And for that user, created date is exactly this one. But authentication been provided, not, via the headers configuration. Next, let's imagine that we would like to call not identity user, but key value storage or key value service. For that, I have configured salute user gender function. Let's see its configuration. Salute user gender uses the current authentication as well. It has a URI to our dev health with a key value where key name is gender. And as a result, it has key and value, exactly what key value storage provides for us. Let's execute this API call from a configuration. So here, salute user gender dot value. In the preview, we can see that gender is male. Exactly what is said here. Gender is man. Okay. It was getting information from their own database. What about external sources? Let me open the specific task for that. We have a single value from external source. As an external source, I decided to use weather API. Here is configuration for the weather API. It's a simple get with authentication. Let me make this call. It's a weather in Amsterdam, and this is my authentication data. If I execute this one, as a response, we see a JSON where in the main section we have a temperature, we have some other weather data, we have information about country, about sunrise, all the stuff. So in the configuration for that function, I configured only one result, which is main.temp, where main.temp is a temperature. Let's try this function in the dialog. It's configured like that. Now in Amsterdam is weather, and the embedded temp data inside the main object in the response. Let's start the dialog once again. This is some kind of prompt. And in the next statement, I see that now in Amsterdam is exactly this above 0 data from the external API. And that's it for the demo. Thank you so much.